Is climate change man-made, or is it just Mother Nature? We are told that global warming is caused by greenhouse gases known as carbon dioxide or CO2. These gases are said to trap the heat from the sun in our atmosphere, resulting in rising global temperatures. So what exactly is carbon dioxide? It's a natural gas that's been part of the Earth's atmosphere for billions of years. It's a byproduct of our respiratory system that plants use to breathe and grow. It is also a byproduct from burning fossil fuels like natural gas, oil, and coal. The Industrial Revolution began in 1850. This graph shows an increase of CO2 emissions into our atmosphere since then. This chart shows the relationship between temperature and CO2 throughout the last 350,000 years. As you can see, CO2 in the blue has risen immensely due to the Industrial Revolution, but temperature in the red has stayed the same at normal levels, and if history repeats itself, we're actually due for a major cooling period and an ice age in the next 10 to 20,000 years. As you can see on this graph, the cooling period may actually be starting now in our lifetime. So by now you're probably wondering, hey, what happened to all the CO2 that was supposed to heat up the Earth? You can thank plants and trees. They need the carbon from CO2 so that they can grow while also providing the Earth with oxygen so we can breathe and grow too. So why are politicians so passionate about fighting climate change, even though our carbon emissions aren't affecting the Earth's temperature anyways? They want to implement a carbon tax around the world that will tax hardworking citizens and businesses for their carbon emissions so the government can generate more revenues. This will oppress the middle class and force them to rely on government assistance more than ever before. As the middle class suffers due to an increase in the cost of living, the income inequality gap will only increase. The sad truth is, many politicians only do what's in the best interest of their donors, not the people. So say no to the carbon tax.